Hey everyone, I'd like to share with you a ZenFone 5 feature that I really like. This time, I'd like to talk about the AI photo learning. This is a really smart feature that learns the way you like to take photos. When specific scenes are detected by the ZenFone 5, it will analyze and learn based on a photo's appearance. In the gallery, it will ask you which effect is best suited for the photo, and based on that user feedback, the ZenFone 5 will adjust its parameters so that future photo treatments are customized to your liking. This and more awesome features can be found on the new ZenFone 5. Be sure to check them all out. Thanks for watching.